how to add music to an Instagram story. So you're able to do it on post, but you can also do it to your stories. So go to Instagram and go and swipe left to go ahead and post a story. I'm just going to take a picture here. And then what you want to do is look at the very top of the screen where you see the musical icon and go ahead and click that. And here you can either search for songs or choose something that may be in your recent searches. So I'm just going to choose something here and go ahead and hit the arrow button, and you're going to be brought to this page here. And what you can do is just simply have the lyrics on there. You can also have a picture of the song that you want to play. So you do have some options here. You can also go ahead and choose different parts of the song itself if you really want to. And then go ahead and hit done. And then go ahead and hit forward. And then you go ahead and share it to your story. It's that simple. It's that easy just to add music to your Instagram story. And that's it.